Hi, hope you're having a blessed day. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make a healthier version of Nutella at your home. On our last video, we shared an easy way to make your own natural almond butter at home. And this time, I am so excited to share with you just how equally easy it is to make your own Nutella. It's made of natural and healthy ingredients, different from the store-bought ones, of course, which means you and your kids can enjoy this without having to feel guilty. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. You'll notice how the texture starts to solidify and then slowly turns into a creamy texture. You see, at this point, we can start to add in the rest of the ingredients, starting off with milk. Then 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Then 7 medjool dates or any type of soft dates, pitted. 1 teaspoon or about 5 ml of pure vanilla extract. Then we sprinkle a pinch of salt. Then 2 tablespoons of agave syrup, which we can substitute for honey. And lastly, we're going to pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can also use avocado oil or coconut oil in here. Okay, so it really doesn't matter which one comes in first. The most important thing is that you put everything in together once the texture becomes creamy. So finally, here's our super yummy and healthy homemade Nutella. I love spreading this on top of my toast, and this can also be a great dip for fresh fruits and veggies of your choice. So I do hope you try this one out, as apart from satisfying our sweet cravings, it also nourishes our body with all those wholesome goodness we get from the nuts. So I think that's it for today, and hope to see you in the next recipe. Hi!